Hello everybody, today we're gonna install it's a LED 32-inch a bar for 2017 Dodge Ram 3500, and for beginning I just install two screws right there, and you need a drill. On this one, it's already right here, and let's install it. First of all, you need to find the center, so to install your bar in the middle. And I already did center, so you need a pre-drilled the steel bumper, because we're gonna install this way. And look, don't be scared. It's only bumper. And when you get, pre-drilled this door, so now we're gonna adjust and install this bar right in the middle, and then we're gonna continue to do wiring. Okay. Okay, everybody, we just got connected right here, like you can see. So the wire go through from here and under all the way right here. And now, we can get connected and install this bar right here. Okay, and right now we're gonna install bar. And next step, and now you can see we're lining up and install it. I show you right now how it's look like. I think this is the easy way how you can install your bar. Only what you need to do, just pre-drill the bumper. But bumper is not big deal, it's only two holes right there. And look how it look like. And it's a 2017 Dodge Ram installation, 32-inch. Okay, so see you in the next one.